place an order for your book, you're going to click on the Preview and Order button at the very top of the page when you're in the designer view. You're going to read through this. It's just letting you know all of your next steps. Right here, you're going to choose which binding style you'd like. So for this one, I'm going to choose the ringed binder, which means I'm going to deselect the other binding styles. You have to choose your paper right here. I'm going to go ahead and choose premium. And right here, you can choose whether you'd like to remove our Create My Cookbook branding, or if you'd like to include the Ecookbook access with each printed copy. It's $2.95 per book if you'd like to do that. So every time someone, if you share your link with someone, every time they purchase a book, they will also receive an Ecookbook access code. On this page, you're just going to read through. With ringed binders, you're going to always get this little reminder right here that says that we suggest that you remove your page numbers so that if you go back and order new pages later, you're not going to disturb all of the pages you already had, basically. So if you wanted to add pages in between, you know, or like the beginning of the book, then all your pages aren't going to be out of order. So you'll get reminders right here, just depending on the binding style that you chose. Then you're going to generate your digital proofs. Once your proofs have generated, you're going to review them. You're going to open these up and review the PDFs. You can print them if you'd like to, read them on paper and proofread them. If you'd like to make changes, at that point, you're going to hit cancel, and you'll go in and make your changes and then repeat the steps we just did. After you've reviewed these, if everything is good to go, you're going to click Approve All Proofs and Publish to Private Bookstore. Once you've done this, it says that your binding style has been published to your private bookstore. You'll click Head to Private Bookstore, and it'll take you to your own little bookstore where you can purchase as many copies of your book as you'd like. You can also share this link with your friends so that they can order their own copies. But yeah, once you do that, you just click the little button, Add to Cart, and continue.